Hey, what's going on, everyone? I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out what TikTok has done now. On this channel, I help you with tips and tricks for YouTube and TikTok. So if you want more videos like this, make sure you subscribe now. This way you never miss a video. TikTok has now made it possible for you to receive tips or monetary gifts on each of your videos. So what does that mean? That means instead of waiting for your video to go viral and TikTok paying you if you're in the TikTok Creator Fund, now you don't have to wait for that. People can support you and give money to each of your videos if they like it, if they find it funny, if it touched their heart, if it means a lot to them, and basically if they just want to take care of you, you know? So it's actually a super cool feature, but right now I'm going to show you where you would find that at, and I'm also going to go over the qualifications because you do have to meet certain requirements. So I received an invite. I saw a notification go off and it said, "You're invited. Apply to receive tips directly from your viewers." That was the notification I got, and this was the screen that it led me to. And it said that you have to have at least 100,000 followers and you have to meet the age requirement. Tips let your viewers fund your creativity and show their support by sending you payments. Tips will go directly to you and no money will go to TikTok. Right off the bat, that's cool. Nothing comes out, no percentage is taken, the money goes directly to you. So I clicked on the check mark, I hit apply, and then it says, "Thank you for applying. We can't accept your application at this time. We encourage you to continue sharing your creativity on TikTok." That was the first time. However, a few minutes later, I did it again. The first time it denied me, and I was shocked because I knew I met the qualifications. So I waited about 10 minutes and I went and applied again. This time it said, "Application in process, will notify you once your application is approved." So later, of course, at the top right there, "Congratulations, you can now receive tips through Stripe." It didn't recognize the first time. So don't be discouraged if you see "We can't accept your application at this time." Wait about 10 or 15 minutes if you know you already have over 100,000 followers and you meet the age requirement, which I'm pretty sure is probably 18. However, it might be 16. Now, once I was in, it wanted me to set up my Stripe account, put in your phone number, your email. It's going to send you an email for verification. And then, of course, it's going to give you a 6-digit code in your email for you to verify. It's going to ask for your personal information, first, last name, home address, and it's going to ask you for your social security number, as you can see on the bottom. This is for tax purposes. This way, TikTok can be doing everything legal in paying you, and it's up to you to report and file your taxes at the end of each year. Now, you're probably already asking, where do I find the option to apply? A notification will be sent to you. This was just recently for me, about a day or two ago. It popped up on my phone. I saw the notification. But you guarantee you have to have at least over 100,000 followers on your account in order to get this notification. If you don't think you have the notification, I suggest that you go ahead and go to your TikTok account, click on inbox, and change the top to from TikTok. That way you can see if you've missed the notification. Maybe you got it and you just didn't know about it. That is pretty much it, and how you would be able to do it. Or maybe you just didn't even know that that was possible now. So let me know, do you have this feature? Have you seen it? Are you gonna click on it? Are you gonna apply? Now, they see this when they go to your profile. Right there at the bottom in red, it says tips. I just set it up, so obviously I have no tips right now. You click on it and it says 0 supporters, 0 tips, support this creator, and on the bottom it says be the first to send a tip. So if you're watching this video, hey, go to my channel, send me $1 or something just to show that, hey, you support me. Maybe you like this video or plenty of my other YouTube videos. Go and show your boy some support. It would be so cool and encouraging to see you guys support me for hopefully everything that I could do for you. All right, guys. So hey, that is it on this video. Keep your head up, stay blessed, and until next time, I will see you on the next video.